Pull $999 for Josh to start this chainsaw. Look at him go. Oh. Give us some gas. It's cold-blooded. Oh, Peter's out. Peter's out.
This is going on YouTube, isn't it?
Come on. That's how to start a chainsaw. I can't count this high.
You're a dick.
Come on. Come on, don't get tired. Oh, I better change the location so I can watch this. Don't give it gas. Come on, it's only been a minute. Could have cut this down with a handsaw by now. Alright, you give up yet?
No.
We don't got all day. People are waiting on a tree.